Hi, to use gestures navigation on your Xiaomi Mix Flip, as a first step we need to go in the settings, and here I'm gonna swipe up to see the home screen tab. Now just scroll to the end and go in the system navigations. So here we got two options, buttons, like in my case right here on the bottom of the display, and gestures. So to enable gestures, we'll need to switch to the gestures, and here we can also see the guide how to use the gestures. So let's select to learn, and now you can see how to perform these actions. Let's check it. So now we need to swipe from the bottom quickly to go to the home page. Now we need to swipe from the bottom and pause to open our recently opened apps. Now swipe right from the edge to go back, like that, and swipe left to go back as well. And we are ready to rock, so just tap I'm done, and here we can also select to hide full screen indicator. So now we got no line on the bottom of the display, but you can still use gestures as we just learned. Let's just enable it, and here we can also see this gesture confirmation. So in some cases, gestures will only work after they are repeated. And here you can also check this on-screen instructions how to use gestures. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.